गाइस, आपका स्वागत है हमारे चैनल फॉर्मित फार्मेसी में। तो चलिए अभी चालू करते हैं अपना अगला टॉपिक, मॉडिफाइड लिमिट टेस्ट फॉर क्लोराइड। इसका एम है टू परफॉर्म द लिमिट टेस्ट फॉर क्लोराइड इन पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट सैंपल। इसका रिक्वायरमेंट है नेस्टर सिलेंडर, मेजरिंग सिलेंडर, पिपेट, स्पैचुला, डिस्टिल वाटर, डाइल्यूट नाइट्रिक एसिड, 0.1 मोलर सिल्वर नाइट्रेट सॉल्यूशन, पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट सैंपल। तो चलिए अभी प्रिंसिपल स्टार्ट करते हैं। The limit test for chloride based on the reaction between soluble chloride impurities present in the substance and silver nitrate solution to give white PPT of silver chloride. This white PPT are insoluble in dilute nitric acid and hence give turbidity or opalence to the test solution. The extent of the turbidity produced depends upon the amount of chloride present in the substance, which is compared with standard opalence produced by addition of silver nitrate to standard solution having known amount of chloride and the same volume of the dilute nitric acid as the used in test solution. If the turbidity developed in the sample is less than the standard turbidity, the sample passes the limit test for chloride and vice versa, as potassium permanganate gives purple aqueous solution that interferes in the comparison of opalence or turbidity. Therefore, aqueous solution must first be decolorized. Potassium permanganate is oxidizing agent while ethanol is reducing agent. Now let's see the reaction. 2 KMnO4 plus 3C2H5OH gives 2 MnO2, 2 KOH, 2 CH3CHO plus 2 H2O. Now let's see the table. In this, first point is different, but rest all are similar. First point is take 9 ml chloride solution, chloride and add 5 ml water in a Nestle cylinder. And in test, transfer the prepared solution in Nestle cylinder. Observation and conclusion. It's are of two types. If the intensity of turbidity appeared to be more in test solution than the standard solution, the conclusion is impurities of chloride in given sample is over the limit as per IP96. Hence, sample do not pass the limit test for chloride. If the intensity of turbidity appeared to be less or equal in test solution than the standard solution, conclusion is impurity of chloride in given sample is under the limit as per IP96, hence sample passes the limit test for chloride. Now let's see our another test, modify limit test of sulfate. Principle. It is a comparison method. It involves the comparison of turbidity of test sample versus standard sample which contain the definite amount of sulfate impurities. The limit test of sulfate is performed on the basis of reaction between the barium chloride reagent containing barium chloride sulfate, free alcohol and solution of potassium sulfate and soluble sulfate in the sample with formation of barium sulfate white PPT. Sulfate-free alcoholic potassium sulfate is added to increase the sensitivity of the test, where a small amount of barium sulfate present in the reagent acts as a reducing agent. For PPT, barium sulfate if sulfate present in the sample under the test. Ethanol is added to prevent the supersaturation, as potassium permanganate gives purple color aqueous solution that interferes in the comparison of turbidity, therefore it requires to be decolorized. Potassium permanganate is oxidizing agent, while ethanol is reducing agent. When potassium permanganate solution is treated with ethanol in presence of heat, the redox reaction takes place. That is, potassium permanganate gets reduced to manganese dioxide and ethanol gets oxidized to form ethanol. The filtrate of the reaction is colorless that is subjected to produce for limit test for sulfate. Now let's see the reaction. 2 KMnO4 plus 3 C2H5OH gives 2 MnO2 plus 2 KOH plus 2 CH3CHO plus 2 H2O. Now let's see the table. In this, the table is different. First and third are similar, but second is different. In this, second is add 15 ml of standard sulfate solution and 0.15 ml of 5 molar acetic acid, and in test solution there is transfer prepared test solution and add 0.15 ml of 5 molar acetic acids. Compare the turbidity in the test solution by weaving transversely both solution against black background. Hope you guys like the video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button.